So in the last video, we had learnt about the file tab and the print settings inside it, and I had also given some challenges regarding the print setting options. So let us finish it all one by one. So here we have our first sheet, the sales report. So to finish the challenge, we'll have to go to file tab and the print setting options. Now our first challenge is to print on one page. So we will go to scaling option and here we will choose fit sheet on one page. Then we have to make it as landscape orientation. So we will click on portrait orientation and choose landscape orientation. Then margin we have to give as narrow margin. So we already have narrow margins. We will select that. Then we have to customize header and footer. So in margins itself we can go to custom margins and here we have header and footer tab. Click on custom header and we will choose to give header in our center section itself. So I will give my name here, Shraddha Das. And click on OK. Then custom footer we need not give because it is asking footer as page number. So we will find that option here in our drop down options itself. You can choose any of these, page 1 only or page 1 of total pages, that also you can choose. So I have chosen page 1 and click on OK. So you can see I have got header and footer in our sheet. That's it, and then you can click on print. Then coming to the next sheet, employee attendance sheet. So here our challenge is to print the selected table only with the grid lines and repeat the header row. So first of all we need to select this whole table. So for that select a single cell inside this data and press Ctrl A. It will automatically select the whole table. Then we will go to page layout and here we have print area options. We will click on set print area and it will set the table as the print area. Then we have to print this table with grid lines. So here itself we have the option of grid lines and we will check this print box. Then we have to repeat the header row. That means row 3 we have to repeat. So for that we will go to print titles and sheet tab here. In that we have option of rows to repeat at top. So we will choose row 3 because that is only our header row and click on OK. Once you are done with all these settings, you can go to file tab and click on print option, or else you can use the shortcut Ctrl+P. Then coming to the next sheet, inventory report. So here our challenge is to fit all columns on one page, center horizontally and export it to PDF. So again first of all we will go to file tab, print settings, and here first option is fit all columns on one page. So again we can go to scaling and we can choose fit all columns on one page option. Then we have to center our data horizontally. So we will go to custom margins. Again here custom margins. Now here you can see in this margins tab itself you have center on page. Two options we have, horizontally or vertically. So we need horizontally. We will check that box and click on OK. That's it. You can see here it has applied the changes. Then we have to export it to PDF. You can see the printer option is some other printer. So we will click here and choose Microsoft Print to PDF because we don't want it to print from the printer. We just want to print it as a PDF in our system. So once you are done with this, click on print. You can see it is saving as the PDF document and here you can give any file name and click on save. It will save it in your system as a PDF document instead of an Excel file. So you saw it is that easy to print any Excel sheet, and if you also want to do any of these challenges, you can download the sheet either from my previous video or in this video's description box also. And if you have any doubts or if you want any one-on-one online sessions, you can contact me through the details given in the description box. Follow along for more. Thank you.